Hello guys, this is how to fix an Andreas not opening on your PC. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So you're gonna go ahead and open up the control panel in your search. And then we're gonna click on programs. And then we're gonna go ahead and click on programs and features. And then click on Windows on or off. Then we're gonna look for legacy. Um, Expand that and then check both boxes and then click OK. Just wait for that to complete. And then once the changes have been applied, you can close all those tabs. And then you're gonna go ahead and open up your preferred browser, your default browser. Then in the search bar, you're gonna type in DirectX and you're gonna go ahead and download it. Make sure it's from Microsoft. Just click right there. You're gonna check the language and then click on download. Shouldn't take long. And then once you've downloaded that, you're gonna go ahead and open it in file location. And then once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and just drag it to the desktop. And then you can start the installation process. Accept T's and C's, accept all the conditions. Go ahead and click next. Let's give that a moment. And once that has done installing, you can go ahead and restart your computer just like that. So it is that quick and it is that easy to fix that problem. So I hope all the information in this video have been helpful and thank you again for watching.